Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for all my new subscribers, and warm welcome to you. Thank you for coming. Miawezon kaka. Merci beaucoup. Okay, so today I have this delicious Togo village recipes for you, and I hope you will love it. It is delicious and good. So for this recipe, what we need, the main ingredients are beans, corn flour, and some chicken. So here is my washed beans, and I am adding water to it. Cover it up on fire for 45 minutes. So while the bean is cooking, preparing here my seasoning for the chicken. So here I have some onion, garlic, and some ginger that I am peeling off and wash off all the dust, and I will add them to my blending cup. So to my blending cup, I will go ahead and add some peppercorn, some anise seed, a little bit of water, and blend them all together. So here is my marinade ready, all blended together. I am adding some salt and chicken bouillon to it, 2 bay leaf, and some water. Cover it up for just 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and separate those the hens from the stock, and here I'll bake them for 25 minutes. For the baking, I am using the leftover seasoning. Add some oil, chicken bouillon, and salt. Mix it together, and I'll add it to the hens and put them on in the oven. So my beans is ready. Here I have some water. I am adding some corn flour to it. Mix it well, no lump, you don't want that. And when it's ready, when it's well dissolved, you go ahead, I will go ahead and add to the stock on fire boiling. So here is my mixture of flour and water added to the chicken stock, and I let it boil, and I am adding my black beans here, taking off the bay leaf. So I added some oil, and now I am adding the corn flours bit by bit. Here is my Djégoli ready, just like that. The Djégoli is ready, and voila, very delicious and filling, guys. This village dish is a must. You must try. You can use any kind of beans. So to my Djégoli, I added some guabe grounded, and the chicken. Voila, ekpa. No professionalism and no aesthetic, no plating. Voila, this is how we do it. My village people are saying right now. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys later on my next upload. Bisous.